Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my lipstick using new skin products. This is what my natural lips look like. Kind of boring. So, the first thing you want to do is moisturize using a lip balm. The second thing I do is this color, Breadwinner, Power Lips. Okay, it's very pigmented, so you have to add only a little bit. So you want to take your finger on the side of the brush. You want to like that. This is enough. Only this amount. Okay. Okay. Ta-da. Only a little bit. And then the rest that's still on your finger, you want to put it to your cheeks. Okay, the next thing you do is you get the Power Lips Polish Duo Lip Shine, the one with two, the lip gloss and the lipstick. You want to take the lipstick, you want to take it and take the brush and like pull it off, and then go into the edges of your lips. So and then you want to get the gloss side. That's my lipstick routine. And that's it! Yay! It's very quick. You really need to use like 3 products. Put these 2 together and that's how you get the lips.